Hey everyone, it's Kelly from Here Comes the Sun, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn a JPEG or a PNG file into a cut file using your Silhouette. So first, what you want to do is download a JPEG or PNG that you'd like to use, and then open up your Silhouette Studio and go to File, Open, and navigate to the JPEG or PNG file that you'd like to use. And today I am choosing a heart. So it will open up on your cutting mat, and then usually I just center it and just make it a little bit bigger. Then what you need to do is go over here to this button that looks like a butterfly, and that's the trace panel, and you're going to hit select trace area and then just draw a box around your image like so. And it's going to turn yellow, and whatever is yellow is what is going to be cut. And you can come down here to the threshold slider and you can adjust that and see what it does. See if you put it down low, there's not enough yellow, and you just have to adjust it until your entire image that you want cut is yellow. Now you go down here to trace. For this one we could either do trace or trace outer edge. It doesn't matter. If you had an image that had some lines like inside the heart that you wanted to cut, you would use the trace. If you just want to cut the outer edge of the design, that's when you use trace outer edge. But since this design doesn't have any lines inside of it, we can use either one. So I'm just going to do trace outer edge. And after that's done, you can click and drag your original image off of the cutting mat, and you are left with your cut file. And you can zoom in just to make sure everything's good, and then you can delete your original image, and then you need to save it to your Silhouette. So you go File, Save Selection, save it to your library first, and then you can just come down here and name it. I'm just going to name it Heart, click OK. And then you can also do a file, save as. You can also save it to your hard drive. Now this saves it as a studio file. The designer edition, or the basic edition that I'm using, can only save as studio files. I believe that the business edition can save these as an SVG file. Silhouette also has a designer edition. I know you can open SVG files in the designer edition. I'm not sure if you can save studio files to SVG format in the designer edition, but in the business edition you can do it. So this is the basic edition, and save this as a studio file. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks.